Hey guys, are you guys looking for a $1.8 million home all the way in the south part of Henderson? If you are, let's go inside and check this out. Before we go inside, a little more details of the home. It's a 3-bed plus an office, 4-bath, and a little bit over 3,600 square foot on a 1-acre lot. There's lots of landscaping, lots of palm trees, a large pool, and then right behind us is the mountain. So if you like ATVing, this is a nice lot. Let's take a look inside. As we come in the front entrance, beautiful rustic doors with glass, right? Beautiful view out there, and high ceilings. House is separated. You have the kitchen that way, and then the living quarters towards this way. We're in the primary bedroom, 1,000 square foot, including the bathroom. We have nice stone finishes here with the fireplace. Of course, there's access out to the backyard as well. So let's take a look inside the bathroom. Primary bathroom, large space, still under construction a little bit, but there's a lot of potential. You can add a lot of things here. And then the shower, I'll meet you on the other side. So both side access, dual shower head, back out from the primary bedroom, back to the front of the house. So we got that office right here with the bathroom. And then we have this bonus area, sitting areas. And then let's go inside towards the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen, monogram appliances, monogram cooktop, and then you have the Blanco sink with the dual monogram fridge. So obviously we are in the garage, 3-car garage. There is an access door behind you. And of course, as mentioned earlier, ATV, hit the desert. You have this nice extra spacing over here with, you know, your tools, your workbench and everything. So back to the front of the house. We're gonna head out to this patio cover area. It's, you know, lots of space, bedrooms over there. Now we're going into this built-in grill. So wine fridge over here, and then we're gonna head out to the backyard. Going out, and this whole patio area with the fireplace. You can put seating here, nice hangout spot. So you have Pebble Tech in the spa, stairs to go up, nice 10-seater-ish. And then you come into the pool, you got wet deck here, it's plaster, water features of course. And then you have 64 palm trees all around this backyard. There used to be a lot of block walls around here. They took that all off. That way you can see the mountain, see the views, because this house is sitting up above. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this home or any other homes in Las Vegas, hit me up, dallastong@kwvegas.com, and then 702-686-1668. If you like what you see on my channel, please like and subscribe. Looking for a large lot in Henderson? Check this out. All right, we are in the ATV as we are going up to this second property. This is a 1-acre parcel, listed for $535,000. So check it out. $3,600 square foot, of course. So let's go to the living quarters first. Or, you know, obviously there's a